now I'm going to show you an issue I ran into where I couldn't log into Edge with my organizational account at all. I kept getting an error. And the interesting thing about it is I was able to log into Edge on desktops, but not some servers. So let me show you the issue, and then I'm going to show you how to resolve it. First, open my browser and attempt to log in. As you can see, I have no account logged into this browser. And this right here is normal because I was trying to enable BitLocker, so that's not the issue. This is the issue. I just keep on getting this. I cleared cache. I even cleared the credentials out of Windows Credential Manager, and I keep on getting this issue. So, you know what I did? I called up Microsoft and got the solution. So, the solution is, and first, I want to show you what you can do to test if the solution will work before implementing the solution. So, go down here to Start and start your Run app. And as you can see here, I've done it before. So what I want you to do is type msedge.exe space dash force no space dash one auth. And then this will start the Edge browser under the one auth authentication, as opposed to using the Windows Credential Manager. So first you must have all browsers closed, and then run the command. And then when the browser opens, you should be able to log in. This just goes to show you that it does resolve the problem. So what I'm going to do is log out and log back in and show you that it does work. Log out. And then go ahead, log back in. As you can see, it signed me in fairly fast. So if we go click up here, you'll see that it is now synchronizing. Oh yeah, and that was the other issue. It wasn't synchronizing at all. So this obviously fixed the synchronization issue as well. So now let me go ahead and show you that the issue is still here, and I'm gonna put the solution in place, and we won't have to run that command just to get it to work. So I'm gonna close the browser, just go ahead and normally open it, and I should not be able to work unless I'm already logged in, as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and log out. Close the browser, open the browser, attempt to log in, and as you can see, it won't let me log in. So now let's put the solution in place. Go ahead and close the browser and open up regedit. And then here I want you to start with H key local machine, software, navigate down to policies, and up under Microsoft, I want you to right click Microsoft, click add a new key. I want you to call it Edge. Now, inside of this Edge, I want you to create a D-word 32-bit value. And we're going to call this one-auth authentication enforced. And then change this value to a 1. We don't want a hex value, we want a decimal of 1. Click OK. You can close the registry now. And now let's open up Edge. And there you have it. Logged in and synchronizing. Thanks.